Have you ever wondered who stands at the heart of the homeownership dream, bridging the gap between hopeful homeowners and the lenders that make it possible? Enter the mortgage loan officer. At MKG Enterprises Corp, a mortgage loan officer takes on a role of paramount importance. These professionals collaborate with a diverse array of lenders, striving to secure the finest mortgage loan options for homebuyers. They originate mortgage loans for sale to lending institutions, acting as the crucial link between the lender and the borrower. A key part of their role is the evaluation of financial documents such as pay stubs, credit history, tax information, and bank statements. This comprehensive assessment of the borrower's financial status aids in determining loan eligibility. These officers ensure strict compliance with banking and finance laws, specific to the jurisdiction of the consumer. They facilitate the sale of loans on behalf of other organizations and businesses. They verify borrower income, gather credit information, and maintain communication with both the lender and the client throughout the loan approval process. But their role goes beyond mere numbers. They explain the legal aspects of the loan, payment terms, and associated clauses to the borrower, ensuring a thorough understanding. They define repayment terms to consumers and educate them on the consequences of default. MKG Enterprises Corp. Third-party Originators is a company that values its people. We believe that great people are the key to great companies. We are in search of intelligent, hard-working, passionate individuals that dream big and possess a work ethic that will inspire those around them. We need forward-thinking people who produce results rather than wait for them. We provide an environment of trust and autonomy. You won't be micromanaged, but you'll need to meet specific expectations. And don't worry, you won't be alone in this. You will be backed by one of the strongest, most supportive, and technical investment transactions leadership teams in the industry. We are all committed to the success of the wholesale broker enterprise. We are currently seeking energetic, hard-working, and knowledgeable team members for the position of Mortgage Loan Officer at MKG Enterprises Corp. To qualify, you'll need a minimum of 2 years of mortgage loan origination experience, effective sales and marketing skills, a strong understanding of loan guidelines, federal and state regulations, and an active NMLS license. So, if you dream of being a crucial aspect of the home ownership journey, contemplate a career as a mortgage loan officer at MKG Enterprises Corp. By working together, we can ensure the dream of home ownership thrives. Remember, clients save more using a broker.